Here we go, guys. I found you another site, so let's do this one. It's called testingtime.com. Just type in Google, you'll find it in the results. Here it is, testingtime.com. Let's go here. Okay, here is the site. Now what they do is that they recruit basically people who are interested to do testings, okay, and they get testing projects. So you guys get to then test those test on those projects, check if the projects are working fine, have issues, and all those kinds of things. So all you have to do is, guys, come to the site. Here it is, become a tester. Click on it. Sign up now. Obviously you have to sign up to become a tester. Here is the second page. The second page now. So there are total 4 pages of information to be filled up. I'll do that one quickly. I will show you along what they're asking for. Here it is. What languages do you speak? You can add the languages you know. Then highest education, employment status, and whatever you want to give them, real or not, it's up to you guys. But I think languages one would be important here for the projects, you know. On the third, they ask you for your email and the mobile number. On the fourth, you have to upload your photo and just sign up. You have to verify by going into your email, by confirming the email, and that's it, guys. Once you confirm the email, you have signed up with them, everything is good. They will be then contacting you with the projects that you are eligible for, and alternately you can contact them too, what I can see, and ask about the same. And further details, what I would like to share with you is that the worth of this website is $98,589 as of now, what it is showing me on worthofweb.com. So it's not a wow website, I would say, but it's not bad either. And also I would like to share with you details that they do not have currently the testing facility for UAE and few other countries. But mostly US and European countries, they do have this facility. So when you are signing up, you can choose one of those countries, because it really doesn't matter where you are testing from. It's just that you should be knowledgeable enough to get the job done right. So that will be all for today, guys. If you have any questions, send across. I'll try my best to answer you guys. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Cheers.